Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to get stuck into some of the exterior work on the XR8. Let's get into it. So welcome back to the channel guys. We're going to get started on working on the outside of the XR8. We do have an enamel spray job here, so as you can see it's a bit faded and stuff like that, but I have started trying to work it with some coated polish. As you can see, it's coming up pretty well compared to like this stuff here that's faded. So I'm going to get into it and let's see if we can bring this paint job back to something with some shine. So guys, you've seen me hit up that panel, and here's the other side for reference. Much shiny and deeper. There you go, you can see the gloss there. Coming up quite good considering this is straight off the gun and one hand cut and polish. Pretty good. So I'm going to crack on with the rest of the car and we'll see how we go. So after a fair few hours we got a fair bit done. Done most of the sides. You can really see it's made a difference up the top here from, like, you know, the roof hasn't been done to the gloss shine we now have. So I'm thinking we'll finish most of the car up later, because I've done most of the sides all the way around. The bonnet, the front bumper here is going to have to be sprayed, and possibly the same with the side skirts. So I'm thinking I'll finish the rest of the polishing up off camera, and then we got to spray paint this, so we'll save that all for another video, and then the whole body will be revealed. And not only that, I've ordered some new wheels, so they're on their way, so that's going to be fun. So we should have it paint looking pretty mint, new front bumper sprayed, new wheels, should be looking good. But in the meantime, there's some stuff I wanted to get done on the back here. We got to get rid of this tow bar. Don't know if I'm going to take the tow bar off today, but that's definitely going to come off because that's just weight. That's been getting hey man, this guy, jeez. So back to it. I want to do this, get rid of the tow ball, at least for the meantime. This pipe here, as much as I love the look of twin pipes, it is a fake pipe. You can see the cobwebs in there, and had a bit of an issue with this thing. So you can see there's one pipe that looks a little bit smaller than the other. Well, the tack weld on this one just came off, so we're going to have to push that back on and weld it on. So I want to get that done today. Take that tow ball off as possible, and then we'll get rid of these fake pipes. I think one day I am going to make a custom rear end exhaust where we'll actually hook up the twins and then make the most of that. Maybe do twin 3-inch mufflers at the back or something. But yeah, wouldn't mind changing up this back end, so let's get into it. Well, there we have it, guys. We've tidied up the back end, got rid of that weird ass tow ball. We're going to take the whole tow bar off at some point, but I want to make sure I have the little insert to put in the back bumper before we take the tow bar off. Weld the tips on, taking the fake ones off, and off camera I managed to cut and polish this back end too, except for the bottom part of the bumper. We've had a bit of luck with the paint. I'm pretty happy with that. So look at that, bit of shine. So far pretty happy with the results. We've got some new wheels incoming. We've got this gearbox mount to put on. But a couple of things to look forward to. But I hope you enjoyed me bringing this big girl back to life, bringing the paint back, adding some of my own flavour to it, but a few things to look forward to coming forward. So, as always, thanks again guys. Till the next one. See you later.